Hey, in this video, I'll be sharing 5 easy Christmas nail design ideas that can be worn over any color. As always, make sure you start with a good base coat to protect your natural nails and help your manicure last longer. For this first design, I'll be applying 2 coats of a rosy gold glitter polish. Then once that dried, I added a coat of quick dry top coat. Once that completely dries, take 2 pieces of rose gold striping tape and place them on your nail in a T shape and trim off the excess. Then add 2 smaller pieces of striping tape at the intersection to form a little bow. I finished with matte top coat to seal in the striping tape, give it a cool chrome finish, and match the rest of the nails later. For the rest of the designs, I'll be using this very light gray color for my base. Again, I applied top coat over top to speed up drying time. Then, once that completely dried, I took 2 pieces of striping tape and I placed them on my nail to leave a triangle shape in the middle. Secure the tape, then with a paintbrush and the rose gold metallic polish, I painted stripes inside the triangle. Then remove the tape and apply top coat. I also added a little rhinestone to the top of the tree while the top coat was still wet. For the next design, again, you'll want to start with your base color. The great thing about these designs is that they work with pretty much any base color. Next, I'm using 2 pieces of striping tape and placing them on my nail in sort of a zigzag shape. Add some top coat, and then while it dries, add different sizes of rhinestones to make a glamorous strand of shining Christmas lights. For the next design, we'll be applying the same base color and letting it fully dry. Next, use a thin detail brush and the metallic polish from earlier to paint skinny triangles around the cuticle of your nail. Then in between the triangles, add some thin lines. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing here. The metallic polish is really shiny and my base color is pretty pale. So if you try this design, I recommend doing it over a darker base like a dark green or dark blue. Finish with top coat and you have a cool icicle design. And for the last nail, I'll be doing a really cute antler look. Using the metallic glitter polish on a detail brush, dot where you want the antlers to go. Then create sort of an S shape for the antlers. Add 2 small lines off of the long ones, and then I added top coat and a rhinestone to either be the deer head or you can make it be Rudolph's nose. There you have 5 very easy but very cute Christmas nail ideas. If you give any of these a try, I'd love to see a picture of it, and you can share it with me on any of my social medias that I have linked below. And if you'd like to watch more Christmas nail idea videos, you can click on your screen here.